Hello, welcome to another pre-calculus for business lesson with Professor Checo. Today's lesson is 4.4 Matrices, Basic Operations. So let's go ahead and take a look. We have 24 questions. Let's take a look at our textbook just for our basic stuff. If you've been following along with our lessons, you're going to realize that I'm going to be using the matrix in Desmos for basic operations. So here, addition and subtraction, we have a 2 by 2 and a 2 by 3. When you add matrices, the answer will be a 2 by 3. So whenever you add them, they have to be exactly the same. So a 2 plus 2, 2 by 2 by 2 plus 2 is going to be a 2 plus 2. A 2 by 3 plus a 2 by 3 is a 2 by 3. Now, you cannot add a 2 by 3 plus a 3 by 2, so it will not work. All right, moving on. Matrix subtraction, just subtraction. We're going to just go through it. Multiplication, you multiply it by a number. Every number in the set gets multiplied by that number. And product of a row, matrix. So what you do is when you have an n by 1, 1 by n, and an n by 1, the answer will be a 1 by whatever it is. So here you have a 2 by this by that. The answer is negative 16. And we'll see. All right, matrix multiplication. There's our definition. If A is an m by p and b is a p by n, the answer will be an m by n. If they don't match, it's not going to be defined. Matrix multiplication, just a whole bunch of multiplication, insight, more properties, working through it, word problem, and then word problem. All right, cool. Let's get into it. So here, find b minus a. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to my matrix, and I'm just going to say my new matrix, which is a 2 by 2. So that's 2 tab 3 tab 6 tab 3, and the new matrix, which is negative 9 2 6 negative 6, and then I should be able to do b minus a equals. This is a matrix, a 2 by 2, so it should be negative 11, comma negative 1, comma 0, comma negative 9. Sick. Literally the same exact thing. Literally the same exact thing. So here, this is not defined because I can't add a 2 by 1 plus a 2 by 2. Here I would multiply everything. Just, what is this? A matrix that is going to be 2 rows by 3. Multiply everything, so that's going to be 30, negative 9, negative 3, 18, negative 3, 6. All right, that's multiplying a row. Here we need to multiply. So now I'm just going to, can I delete all this? Oh, that's going to be product's not defined. This is a 2 by 2 by a 2 by 1. We can multiply this. So let's get rid of b. Oops. So this is, it'll be 1, 9, negative 5, 9. New matrix, which is a 2 by 1. It's going to be negative 3 and then 7. And then we're looking for a times b equals a matrix, which is a 2 by 1, 2 by 1, which is going to be 60 over 78. What did I mess up? 1, 9, negative 5, 9, negative 3. Oh, negative 7, negative 7, negative 66, negative 66, tab, negative 48. Oh, dang it. I got it. That was correct. Same exact thing here, you multiply. Same exact thing here, you multiply. Same exact thing here. Find the matrix product. Note the product can be found mentally without the use of a calculator. We can? Or is it just, I think you just gotta multiply the diagonals, right? Yeah, you multiply A1 times A1 and then B, so that's 88. I didn't even see the answer. Right, whatever. Use the Desmos calculator. You have the matrix. You got it. Done. Multiply, done. Multiply, done. Find the product. Done. I mean, easy, right? This is a new matrix, so this is a. I'm going to clear all this. Clear all. So A is going to be a 2 by 1. 2 by 1. 2 rows, 1 column. No. 1 column, 2 rows. And the 2, negative 4. Hit enter, new matrix. This is a 2 by 1. And that's going to be negative 1 and negative 5. Hit enter. What is A times B? 18. What did I mess up? 2, negative 4, negative 1, negative 5. A times B. Why is it not right? A times B. Product is not defined. This is a 2 by 1. This is a 1 by 2 and a 2 by 1. So the answer should be a 1 by 1. Why is it not 18? 2, negative 4, negative 1, negative 5. No. 18. Oh my goodness. It's a matrix 18. It's right. No, no, no. It's absolutely right. The answer is a 1 by 1. It's a matrix. Okay. I got you. That was annoying. That was really annoying. Let me just do this to prove 4, negative 3. And then this guy is negative 7, tab, negative 2. So then here, my answer is a 1 by 1, 1 by 1, and my answer is negative 22. There we go. Literally the same exact thing. Same exact thing. Same exact thing. Same exact. Oh, this one's b squared. I like that. Let's clear. So here, if I do a new matrix and it's a 2 by 2, so negative 4, 1, 3, 2, and then enter, what is a squared equal? A squared is a matrix that is a 2 by 2 of 19, negative 2, negative 6, and 7. Come on, guys, this is super easy. Use the calculator. All right, so here, and then they want us to find B plus ADs. Plug it all in, BAD, and then just use the calculator. Like, it's right there, the matrix. A times D. This is a 2 by 3 times a 3 by 2, which gives me a 2 by 2. A 2 by 2 plus a 2 by 2 will give me an answer, so it's going to be an answer. I don't know what it is, but you guys got that. Here, what's 0.9 times B times A? I mean, this is, my goodness. A is negative 2, comma 2, comma 2, comma 6. New matrix, which is going to be B, and it's a 3 by 2, so it's going to be 3, negative 3, 0, negative 1, 1, comma 4, and then hit enter. So I could literally do 0.9 parentheses 0.9 of B times A. What is this going to be? Type in integer or a decimal. That's a 3 by 2, so 3 rows. Okay. First row is negative 10.8. Second row is negative 10.8. Then I got negative 1.8 and negative 5.4 and 5.4 and 23.4. Come on, like, this is light work. Literally the same exact thing. Literally the same exact thing. Oh, if A and B are non-zeros, and A equals that. Oh, dang. Here we have to actually do it by hand. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cheat. You guys wanna know how to cheat? Um, let me new matrix AB B squared. This isn't gonna work. Negative A squared and negative AB. Oh, what does this give me? Let's say that A, B is 2 and 3. So A is 2, B is 3. So that would be 6, 9, negative 4, negative 6. A squared is 2 by 2, 0, 0. How do I get 48 from these numbers? That's A squared times 3, 16 times 3. So let's do negative A squared. So what is that? B A to the squared? I think it's BA squared. BA squared. And then that one should be 9 times 12. Where did 12 come from? 2AB. 2AB. How do I go from 9 to 108? That's 9 times 12. How do I get 12 from this? 12 is 12. 2AB B squared. B. Let's do B to the third. And then this one is going to be, how do I get negative 48? Negative 48 times that. Negative A squared times A squared is 2. I think it's 2, negative 2BA to the third. I give up. You're welcome. B to the second, B to the third. Use the graphing calculator to find B to the second. So let's clear. Let's do a new matrix, which is 2 by 1. So 1 row 2, 0.3 and 0.7. New matrix B is a 2 by 2, which is 0.2, 0.8, 0.6, and 0.4. 0.4. So what is B squared? What's B to the third? What's, uh-oh. b to the third. Here, 2 by 2, so 0.36, 0.64, 0.32, 0.68. B to the third, 0.328. Oh, dang it, I have to put matrix. 2 by 2, 0.328, 0.672, 0.336, 0.664. Cool. B to the fourth, same exact thing, right? B to the 4. I'm gonna go show completed. Oh my god, there's so many show completed. So I'm up to B to the fourth, right? B to the fourth, done. Then calculate A times B, calculate A times B squared, B to the third, and then approximate, which looks like it's the same answer. Pretty self-explanatory, guys. Desmos is the winner. It's the clear winner. All right, 21. Find A, B, and C and D so that A, B, C, D plus. Oh my goodness. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna do 1, -1, 9, -9, -6. Let's do that. Clear all. New matrix. 2 by 2 is gonna be 1, -1. Dang it. New matrix. 1, -1, 9, -9. New matrix is gonna be a 2 by 2 for B, so that's gonna be 6, -7, 0, 8. Hit enter, and then I'm gonna solve A minus B. A minus B is going to give me C, which is equal to 2 by 2. So that's gonna be -5, 6, 9, -17. Cool. Solving backwards. 22, literally the same exact thing, except take this and divide it by that. Literally the same exact thing. Determine whether the statement is true or false. There exist two 1 by 1 matrices, A and B, such that AB does not equal BA. I'm going to say the product of that is false because it's a 1 by 1. Cost analyst, a company with two different plants manufactures guitars and banjos. Its production cost for each instrument is given by the following matrices. Find 1/2 of A plus B. I mean, that's so easy. Just plug in A and B and then done. So let's do A. Matrix is a 2 by 2. So that's going to be 41, tab 31, tab 109, tab 98. That's A. Let's go to matrix B, which is 64, tab 59, 105, 122. Hit enter, and then I'm looking for 0.5 of A plus B. 52.5, $45, 107, and 110. Cool. And there we go. That's the entire matrix C basic operations using Desmos basic matrix calculator. Just under 20 minutes. Best of luck.